Inside Edo today, Industrial Court Presido don salute Obaseki for the work wey they do for judiciary as court don open Benin division. National Court of Nigeria Presido Honorable Justice Babatunde Adejumo, he don salute the ogbonge work wey Godwin Obaseki administration dey do for Edo, as e be say e dey work well to see say judicial arm of government dey get better support and dem fit work well. Justice Adejumo tok dis one wen dem dey commission Benin division of National Industrial Court for Nigeria, the one wey Edo State wey e build. E tok say as dem tanda and commission the Industrial Court for Edo, e go help make the state waka well for court deve matter, as e go still help lawyers dem wey dey travel go Akure to go sit down on top case from Edo. Adejumo tok say the court na better one as e salute Governor Obaseki on top this correct project. Dem bin tanda Industrial Court for 1976 and 16 years na im take tanda well enter Nigeria, the one wey come make am enter Edo. As Edo State na im be number 28 for the state for Nigeria wey don get industrial courts.
Industrial Court was established in 1976. That is about 40-something years ago. For the first 25 years was almost the moribund court. And I came on board 16 and a half years ago. I started this drive. I'm here to commission this mighty edifice. Mighty in the sense that people have been struggling for past 8 years to have a court in Benin City, and I couldn't succeed. And now I have this, to me, the big edifice. So I know we are going to work together to see that the industrial relations in Edo State is intact, peaceful, and harmonious. Without a harmonious industrial environment, the government cannot deliver its promises if there is no peace in the industrial sector. So we are here to engender that thing. This court has some significant improvement for the court, for the state. We have employed more than 100 staff, of which more than 80% are from Edo State.
Governor Obaseki tok say na dis one na im be the first time wey government go give property give judiciary, as im salute National Industrial Court Presido wey im come Edo for the commissioning. E tok say im administration don put for ground better house for Honorable Justice Abiola Adewemimo, wey go be the first resident judge for National Industrial Court for Benin City. Obaseki tok say dem dey invest well for Edo judiciary as better house go dey for judge dem to stay, and the administration plan na to tanda correct estate for judge dem to stay for GRA for Benin City. E tok say im administration plan na to see say Edo State tanda well as industrial area for Nigeria, as Edo State dey put body for work well to see say before the year waka finish, state government go begin construction of 1,000 hectares of industrial park for Edo, as this one go help carry companies and better organization enter the state.
We realize that for us to have an effervescent and strong and virile democracy, the bastion of that tripod should be the judiciary. And as a government, we want to ensure that we have a full complement of the judiciary in Edo State. And we're doing everything to ensure that we provide what is required to make the judiciary function effectively and efficient in Edo State. We are going to be emphasizing and strengthening our magistracy. We continue to invest in our high courts. We are pleased that we have been able to attract the industrial courts to locate to Benin. We're going to be relocating the Court of Appeal to a much more auspicious premises. We will continue to support the high courts And hopefully one day when we amend our constitution, when we have a Supreme Court that is possible to have a Supreme Court, we'll have one located in Edo State. This is just a temporary court. This premises is temporary. We expect that this court will be relocated from this location to its permanent site, which is a stone throw from here, within the next 3 years. We have secured the premises, and we've actually completed a design of the permanent site of the industrial court. And one reason why we felt this was a worthwhile investment is that our aspiration is to be the industrial hub for Nigeria. We're working very hard at it. Hopefully before the end of this year, 1,000-hectare industrial park will commence construction on a 1,000-hectare industrial park with its energy sources. That park is going to be bigger than Agbara Estate. And that will be the bastion for attracting companies and corporations into the state.
Chief Judge for Edo State, Justice Esohe Ikponwe, she salutes Governor Obaseki as she talks, say the court go help industrial matter for the state. And this one na ogbonge deve matter for Edo.
To have the National Industrial Court in Edo State is great development for the state, and it's welcome.
Now here we see and reach on top inside Edo today. As Industrial Court Presido don salute Obaseki unto the work wey they do for judiciary reform. Make una no forget say this ogbonge informate so on top inside Edo today. Na Live Media na im bring am come can give una. And to continue to dey get this ogbonge and sharp informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for Live Media TV. Now if you see follow us, waka reach all our social media platform for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Make una like and follow our page for Live Media. Our website sidon brekete put for www.tlivemedia.com to dey get ogbonge tori as e dey shele.